Hi, David Bonasera here with ESP, and I'm talking about Glass Plus Metal. Glass Plus Metal is a really nice product, and the reason why is because it gets hard water spots off of glass, but it also does metal, and I'll show you a little bit later. But for the most part, we have this really heavily calcified stainless steel table. If you look at it, it's pretty beat up, to say the least. I'm going to take a little bit of this. I'm going to get this pre-wet. I'm going to shake the bottle. I'm going to squirt a little bit on. And I'm just going to scrub. This works on all soft metals. The reason why I use a little bit of water is so it doesn't scratch. And you always want to try it on your last pass to go with the grain, but I'm using a white pad, so it's not really that invasive. And then you have areas like this, which you're going to need just a little more work, maybe a little more product to get done. Just like they do in the commercials. It's all magic. So we're just about through here. Getting this up, it didn't really take too long. Again, I'm going with the grain, using the white pad that doesn't scratch. The nice thing about this too is it repels water, as you can see. We have a few areas here that need a little more work. As you can see how that works. That's really, really nice. Again, you can see the shine that you never had before on this. This is pretty cool. And it just like beads up on the stainless steel. See how it just beads up and separates. That's a wonderful thing. Glass Plus Metal.